seriously messed up.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Okay, this is coding class with Mr. Hunt again, and I am with my student
Nay?
Danae, and today is Thursday, August 27th, 2020. Okay, so I want to give you some. So first, I want to tell you. I just want to tell you. I want to show you. I have some extra optional quiz cards rules that I'm adding today. I'm gonna try it out with you and Addie and another class. So you're the first person to see these new rules, okay? And okay, so here's what's gonna happen. So we're gonna do at the near the like 10, 15 minutes. Let's say the last 20 minutes, we're gonna do quiz cards.
Okay.
Every time, I'm sorry? Are you there?
Yeah, I guess.
Yes. So every time you get a correct answer, you answer correctly,
Mm-hmm.
you will get 5 coins. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I don't know if you know Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh! You know what they are, right?
I know what is?
Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!
No.
You don't know? Okay.
I don't play Yu-Gi-Oh! I play Pokemon.
Okay, Pokemon. Okay. So it's kind of like the idea of booster cards. So you get 5 coins, and then we're going to put them in a magic box,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're going to open up one pack of, you get a chance to, if you answer correctly, you get a chance to open up a coins booster cards. Okay? So,
Okay.
so I already wrote a Python program that will randomly pick out of, I'll show you.
Here's sound in the background.
I'm sorry?
Master, every class I hear a sound in the background, and it goes like da-na-na. What is that?
Oh, that's my phone. That's my phone. Okay,
Is
so
that like when you get messages?
no, just an alarm to keep me on track. Okay, so I have a list. Now in Python, Python, you can actually have emojis in your program. Okay,
How?
so Python uses a special, a huge character set called Unicode. Okay, so like Chinese,
Oh, what?
Japanese, like the letters and numbers in strings.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't have to be just alphabet and numbers. It can be also emojis, because Python uses Unicode. So it's like an international character set. Okay, so whether it's almost all, I think most of the major languages are covered in Unicode. So Python is, you could say Python is multilingual. Okay, but
Is what?
forget that. So it's multilingual. Okay, so there's a lot of characters. It's not just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it can also do emojis. So you see the emojis on the so a coins booster pack can consist of any combination of a thumbs up emoji, thumbs down emoji, a dog emoji, a baby angel emoji, a police officer emoji, flexed biceps, and a zombie. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see that?
I guess.
You don't? You come on. Either you do or you don't.
I said I guess. I said I guess.
Yes.
I said I guess.
Okay. So the computer Python program that I already coded, it will randomly pick three emoji characters. Okay. So it can pick any combination of thumbs up, thumbs down, dog, baby angel, police officer, flex bicep, zombie. Okay? Are you following me?
Okay.
Okay, so if I every time I run the program, it'll pick 3 different. Okay, so what? So in this booster cards, booster pack, what did you get?
Zombie versus police officers.
Okay,
Zombie
so
versus 2 police officers.
okay, so when you get a zombie and 2 police officers, what happens is that your 5 coins in the magic box, it gets multiplied by 1. So what happens? Did you get more? Well, how many coins
No.
do you end up with?
Still 5.
Still 5. Okay, so they stay the same basically. Okay. Okay, but if you get all 3 thumbs up, or all 3 dog, or all 3 flex biceps, you get a huge multiplier. Okay.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Those
Okay.
multipliers are huge.
Now those are rare. I've already run the program many times. It's not going to happen a lot. So if you get 3 thumbs up, the 5 coins you multiply by 20.
Kazanoosh.
I'm sorry?
Kazanoosh.
I don't know what that means.
Kazanoosh.
If you get 3 dogs,
Kazanoosh.
you get 3 dogs, you multiply by 25. If you get 3 flexed biceps, you will get 30 multiplied by 30. Okay?
What if you get 3 baby angels?
Nah, that's a zonk. Doesn't get you anything.
Zonk.
Okay, listen to this. Now this is the bad news. If you get 3 police officers, or 3 thumbs down, or 3 zombies, what happens to your coins?
They become 0. You get
0. Multiplied by 0, then you get nothing. Okay?
Like
But
you
don't
don't
worry,
have any coins in the magic box, or you still have 5
yeah,
coins.
you get
in it?
nothing. You get 0, nothing.
No
Okay.
coins in the
No
magic
coins.
box.
But it's very rare. It's very rare that will happen. Most of the time, what's going to happen is you'll get some combination of thumbs. You'll get some combination of thumbs up, dog, flex biceps, baby angel. Okay. Now, if you get 1 thumbs up, you get to multiply your 5 coins by 2. If you get a dog, you get to multiply by 3. If you get a flex biceps, you get to multiply by 4. Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it gets multiplied by 1 because we got a zonk?
Yeah, if you get any combination of,
Other than whatever you just said.
right.
Then
If you get a baby angel, a police officer, and zombie, you're good. You don't lose anything. Okay? But you don't get anything either. You just get the same 5 points. Okay? So every time you answer a quiz card correctly, you will get 5 coins to put into the magic box. Are you following me?
Yeah, and at the end, all the coins in the magic box go to my thing.
They will go into your coins account. Okay, but only 5 coins. You can only put 5 coins in the magic box at any one time. Okay, and only the coins when you answer a quiz card correctly. Okay, only a maximum of 5 coins.
Game?
I'm sorry?
Can we play a little of the game now?
Yeah, we're going to play it, yeah. Only a maximum of 5 coins can be put in the magic box at a time.
At a time. When you begin, do you have 5 coins or you have 0 coins when you begin?
I'm sorry? Well, you have to answer the questions correctly. If you don't answer any questions correctly, you get nothing. Only coins earned by correctly answering a quiz card can be put in the magic box. If you open up a coins booster pack with all multipliers, but they are not the same, then your maximum multiplier cannot exceed 16. So if you get let's say you get 2 flexed biceps and a thumbs up.
Okay.
So that's not going to be 4 times 4 times 2. You can only do 4 times 4. Got that?
What? That's not right.
I'm not made out of money.
Yeah, but
Okay.
this is fake money.
He's fake money. Okay.
It's like game money.
So if I roll, so in this booster pack, what did you get?
We got dog, a baby angel, and a police officer.
So what is your multiplier? What's your boost? What's the
It's
boost
a
you can get?
zonk, so I think it's a 1.
No, you got a dog.
Oh
Today,
yeah,
you're not listening to me.
with the dog.
So
Dude.
if you get a
Oh,
dog,
we get
you get to multiply by 3.
Yeah.
Okay, you get to multiply by 3.
And plus the baby angel, which is a zonk, so.
No, the baby angel doesn't count. So if you get 1 dog, then you get to multiply by 3. So if you had 5 coins, so with 5 times 3 is what?
15.
15 coins, and then that goes into your coins bank account, okay?
Nice.
If you get 2 dogs, you get to multiply 3 times 3. So that's 9. That would be 45 coins.
Oh my god. When will we get double dogs? Double dogs. Double dogs.
But if you get 3 dogs, then the multiplier is 25. It's not 3 times 3 times 3.
Triple.
Are you following me?
Triple flex biceps. Triple flex biceps.
Triple flex biceps. That's very rare. That's less than 1%. It's not gonna happen.
Come on.
So what happened here?
Thumbs down, zombie, thumbs up.
So you got a thumbs up. So 1 thumbs up, it'd be a multiplier of 2. Okay? So you have to answer quiz card correctly, and then we'll open up, you'll get a coins booster.
We got 3.
Oh, okay, 3 thumbs up, right? So if you get 3 thumbs up, then that is, you multiply by 20. So that's a 20 multiplier.
It's not that rare. Not that rare.
It's very rare. It doesn't happen. You're not going to see that again.
Probably.
Now the code for the program already copied to Google Classroom.
So I can play this game anytime.
Well, I'm not going to give you anything.
I know, but I can still play it anytime.
You can look at the code. You can look at the code and you can see that it's a fair game. Well,
okay. Master Han.
Well, I don't know if it's a fair game, but you know, it is what it is.
Pretty much. Pretty much. Oh my god.
So look, this time there's 2 flexed biceps.
What
But
does that
today,
do?
look, I have also a code where I ran this. Look, how many times does all 3 match? All 3 thumbs up, dog, or flexed biceps. So I had the computer do this 100 times. Okay, in 100 tries, look what it said. How many times did it get all match?
0.
0. Okay.
Well, I was really lucky that I got.
No, you didn't get anything. That was just a test.
Thumbs up. 3 thumbs.
Most likely, you will get a zonk or you'll get some kind of multiplier. Okay.
Are we gonna play for real now, where I can get points?
I'm sorry.
Are we gonna play for real now, where I can
we're
get
gonna.
points?
Not now. Not now. Okay, so in Google Classroom, I've already copied. Oh, maybe I didn't do it. I thought I did. I copied. Okay, so I have this code for you to copy and paste into your trinket. So it's did I go over this already? Square, rectangle, and move to. So I have 3 functions that you can use. Did I show you this?
You went over it, but I still don't get it.
Okay. Okay, so you need to copy you need to copy the code into your Trinket first,
Okay.
and then you need to, okay, let's see. I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff.
You're getting rid of your. Oh my God! You
Okay,
killed
so
the code.
okay, so first you need to you need to copy the code into your Trinket, the functions, right? You need to put in all the functions, and then you need to make a turtle. Okay, so this one is add, and then you can change, you can change the color, the speed, and the width, whatever. Now, if I want to make a square, okay, first let's move the pen to another location, okay? So let's say I want to move the pen because you start at the center. So let's say I want to move the pen without writing anything. I want to move it somewhere to the left, okay? So let's say I go negative 100 pixels and 0. So it's going X negative 100. So it's moving to the left, okay? Let's say I want to go down. I want to start a little down. I don't want to start in the middle of the canvas. Are you following me?
What's a canvas?
This is the screen.
Oh wait, so canvas is in like my shoes?
Look. Okay, I'm sorry. It's not doing anything right now. One second. I have to draw something. Okay, so let's say I want to draw a square, right?
What's a square?
You don't know what a square is?
So confused.
Okay, so with the square, I have to tell it needs to know the name of the pen. What's the name of the pen?
It needs to know the name.
It's going to draw a square with the pen that I tell it to use. What is the pen that I'm using, that I made for this program?
Wait, the pen is called pen AD.
AD, right? Okay. What is how big do you want? How thick do you want the pen to draw? How thick do you want the pen to draw?
How big do I want the pen to?
How thick? The width. How thick do you want? Yeah.
Let's try it. Maybe 100.
That'd be too big, Tene.
10.
Okay, 10. Let's go 10. And then now you have to tell it how long do you want the side of the square to be?
100 by 100.
You don't have to say 100 by 100. The square has only one side.
The square is only one side?
I mean, the length of the side is the same.
Yeah.
So you don't have to say 100 by 100, just say 100, okay? Now, what is the color you want? What is the color you want the box to be?
Blue.
You want it to be blue, okay. So you have to give it the name of the pen or the turtle, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pen, turtle, same thing. You have to tell it the thickness of the pen you want it to draw with.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to tell it how big the side you want it to be, the length of the side.
Mm-hmm.
And then you tell it the color, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, wherever you move the pen to, then it's going to draw the square. Oh, I did something wrong. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry. Okay. So what did I forget to tell? What did I forget to put into the, when I called move to, what did I forget? Look at move to, line 44. What is missing? I told it where to move, but I forgot something. How many parameters does move to expect?
How many parameters does it what? You
Look at line 44. How many parameters is expecting for me to put inside the parentheses?
Well, you put in 3 when you should have put in 2.
Right. I put in 2 instead of 3. So what is missing here? Move to, I have the coordinates, but what's missing?
The pen.
So what do I need to type there?
Pen. Pen space. No.
Not pen.
AD,
Pen is the parameter. What is the argument?
80.
AD, right? AD.
80.
Okay.
I am 80 years old.
Okay. Okay. So usually what you're going to be doing is you're going to be moving the pen, and then you're drawing a shape. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't move the pen, then you're just going to draw in the same location where you started. Okay.
Obviously.
Okay. So with rectangle, there are more parameters you have to give it. Okay.
Okay.
But with both square and rectangle, you have to tell it the name of the pen or turtle you're using. Okay. So what do I need to put in the first? What's the first parameter?
Master Han, you froze on most of that sentence, so I couldn't hear a
All
thing
right.
you said.
So with rectangle and square, you need to tell it the pen or the turtle. You need to give it the name of the pen or turtle. So what is the name of the pen or turtle we're using right now?
The name of the pen or turtle that we're using now?
In this program. So what do I need to type in there?
80.
80, right. Okay.
80.
And also you need to give it the pen width. Okay? So we'll just stick with 10. Pen width of 10. Now this is where it changes. You need to give it the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay? So you need to give the length and the width of the rectangle. Okay? So what is the length and width you want? What kind of shape do you want the rectangle to be? So the length is usually bigger than the width. Okay?
So then the length should be 11.
I'm sorry?
The length should be 11.
11? That's going to be a very small rectangle.
100 by 50.
I'm sorry, Tanae, I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
100 by 50.
Tanae, you're doing something with the mic. I can't barely hear you. Okay.
100 by 50.
100 by 50. So you need to give
I
the
said
length.
150.
150. Okay.
100 by 50.
100 by 50?
Yes,
What is the length?
150.
Okay, so you want the length to be 150. What do you want the width to be?
Yeah, 100 by 50.
What do you want the width to be?
100 by 50, not 150.
Okay, I'm sorry. You're doing something with the microphone. You're like doing something. Okay, now you want to tell it, you need to tell it the color. What color do you want it to?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Well, you have a blue square. You're going to draw a blue square on top of a blue rectangle on top of a blue square.
Red rectangle, then red rectangle.
Okay. Now, the last thing is you need to tell it whether to stand or lie down. Okay? If you type true, it will stand up. If you type false, the rectangle will lie down. Okay?
Tell it to lie down.
Okay, to lie down? Okay, then that would be false. Okay?
Oh, that is cool.
Okay, so let's make it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And so we'll see like a difference.
I had a tuna fish sandwich.
Okay.
Sandwich. I had a tuna fish sandwich.
Okay, today I'm gonna try to give you control again. Let's see if you can.
I have a tuna fish sandwich.
Can you move the mouse?
I got a tuna fish sandwich.
Today, can you move the mouse?
I've got a tuna fish sandwich.
Can you type anything? Can you type anything?
Let me try. I just want to type something.
Not letting you type?
something.
Not letting you type. Okay.
I've got a tuna fish sandwich, sandwich, sandwich. I got a tuna fish
Okay.
sandwich, sandwich.
Okay. Let's do this.
Sandwich.
Okay. So
Tuna fish
so
sandwich.
let's move the rectangle in a different location. So
Sandwich.
what is the function I need to use to move the pen? What do I need to type to move the pen?
Move to
Move to. Okay. And then what do I need to tell AD, right? So where do you want to move the pen?
70 by 30 by 0 by 60.
Today, that doesn't make any sense. You just need to give it an X and a Y. Okay. Let's do 70 and 30. Okay. X 70, Y 30.
30 and 4 and 60. That's where it should go.
Okay, that. You see this little thin black border?
Yep.
So that's the size of your canvas. It's not a very big space. Let's try let's just go
draw my
let's
goal
go. I'm
Minecraft
gonna try. What you should always do is try 0, 0, because that's the center. And then you could start moving the okay.
Okay, whatever you say.
So let's make it negative 50, X negative 50. And so now move it to the left. Okay.
No, you made an L. That's so cool. An L. L. But it kind of looks like a chair now.
Okay.
But it should be a V at a weird angle. I'm hyperventilating. Oh my god, what is that?
Okay.
It's an upside down L and chair. And it's
if you want to draw another square, all you have to do is just copy these two lines, move to and square. Just copy and paste them. And then all you have to do is change the numbers.
Minus.
So let's say we start at 0, right? And let's change the color to green, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's say I want to push it down. I want to push it down to let's go to oh no. I want to push it down. So I'm going to make it negative 50. Okay? Oops, not 500, negative 50. Okay? Okay. Let's make the thickness, let's make it 1 because it's kind of distorting the shape a little bit. So now it's just going to draw a very thin line. I don't know. What is that? I have no idea. Is that anything? I don't know.
Wow. A weird rectangle. Awesome.
It kind of looks like kind of a Lego thing, right? It's going to look like Legos.
A little bit, except Legos don't come without those little thingies on top unless it's a flat Lego. And I love flat Legos. I love flat Legos so much because
Okay. I'm gonna copy this into I'm gonna copy this into where is it? I'm gonna copy this into Google Classroom. So you'll have a copy of it, and you can just all you have to do is copy and paste it into your Trinket. I'll put in today's date, Thursday, August 27th.
Master Hun.
Yes.
Master Hun.
Yes.
Today we know where.
Okay, so I copied into Google Classroom. So you just copy and paste it into your Trinket, and you can just continue to just play with the code. Okay. Okay. So again, you have to put in the correct parameters. Okay.
Okay.
So again, with the rectangle, we have the name of the pen or turtle, thickness of the pen, the width of the pen, length, width, color, and stand. Either it's false or. So look, I'll just show you this. So I'll copy this, and I'm gonna make a rectangle where it's standing up. Okay. I'm gonna make a rectangle that's sitting down and one that's standing up. Look what happened.
Go.
Look what happened. What happened?
God, what is that?
What happened? It's a chair. I made a chair.
Except chairs have legs and not.
Well, this is I don't know. It's a different kind of chair.
It's a cool chair.
Okay,
it's
so
a chair
you
with
can
wheels that are made out of squares. Oh yeah.
So you can make the rectangle stand up or lie down. Okay.
Okay.
Now with the square, it doesn't matter if you make it stand up, lie down. It's still going to be a square. It's not going to make any difference. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you play around with the code, and now you can make all kinds of things with squares and rectangles. Okay. You can use because in Minecraft it's mostly, everything is pretty much a square, right?
Yeah, it's a cube. Everything is a cube.
I'm sorry, cube. It's a cube. It's a cube. Okay.
And next time I meet my one of my best friends, we're gonna play Minecraft. I'm gonna ask him to make a house. Then a few days after, when we meet again after he makes his house, I'm gonna set up a trap so his house blows up when he walks in.
Oh, that's not nice.
I'll rebuild it for him, obviously.
That's not nice.
I'm gonna blow it up and say, "Whoa, what was that? Is that a glitch or something?" And then I'm gonna fix it and be the hero, even though I blew it up.
You're you're an evil scientist.
And it's really easy to blow things up with a tripwire. All you need is a tripwire. All you need is a tripwire, some string, TNT, and redstone.
Okay.
And then boom, you have yourself a tripwire activated house that blows up.
Okay, so let's okay,
Guido von
forgot his name.
Yeah, I forgot his last name.
Okay.
Guido von something.
Okay. Guido van Rossum. Okay.
Guido van Rossum.
He's the creator of what?
Python.
Okay.
Otherwise, we wouldn't be featuring him in this episode.
What is scalability? Do you remember?
The something of the something.
No, that's not the answer.
To something.
That's not the answer. That's not the answer.
To increase demands.
That's not the answer. The ability. No, you did not nail it. The ability. Repeat after me. The ability.
The ability.
Of a computer system.
Of a computer system.
To adapt.
Adapt.
To increase demands.
To increase demands.
What did I say?
The ability of a computer system.
Danae, let's do it correctly, please.
The ability of a computer system adapt to.
Danae.
The ability for a computer system to adapt to increased demands.
Okay. So what happened on Monday? So Zoom had an outage. What happened to the Zoom's computer system?
I don't know.
They couldn't adapt to the increased demands. That's why
I don't know. I don't get that much information. I don't watch the news. I play Minecraft.
Okay. So on Monday morning, there was Zoom outages. Lots of people, millions of people couldn't connect to Zoom. Okay. That's because of scalability. Their computer system,
Oh my god.
their computer system couldn't handle all the demand, all those millions and millions of people were trying to use it.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Danae, what is iteration?
Iteration. The repetition
Right, the repetition.
of a
You forgot.
problem that moves closer to a solution.
No. The repetition of a process.
Oh, that moves closer to a solution?
Okay. You forgot. Okay, that's good.
I get half marks for that. I get half marks.
No, you got to get the whole answer. You got to answer correctly.
How many?
The repetition.
1.5 marks.
You need to, today, between now and next Tuesday, you need to review those quiz cards, okay?
What? No.
The repetition, today, the repetition of a process that moves closer to a solution.
The repetition of a process that moves closer to a solution.
Okay. What is what?
Variable name x assignment operator equals value 5.
And what kind of value is 5?
5 is an integer.
And what is an integer?
An integer is a whole number.
Okay, whole number. Okay, you got to answer that correctly. So I'm gonna roll. So I'm gonna see. We're gonna give you. We're gonna put your 5 coins in the magic box, and we're gonna open up a booster pack. Okay, coins booster pack. So let's see what you get here.
Go. Please don't be your tongue.
Okay, you got a dog and a thumbs up. So you got a dog and a thumbs up. So you can take those. So a thumbs up is 2, and a dog is 3. So what's 3 times 2?
6.
6.
Oh, yeah.
What's 6 times 5?
6 times 5 would be 30. I believe
30.
I've got
Okay.
30 coins in my bank account. Master Han, you should give a name to the bank.
Yeah,
the bank that holds our coins needs a name, like Federal Coins Bank or Bank Bank of Coins or
okay.
Or,
so okay, good.
or
You
Coin
got 30
Collector.
coins.
You can name it Coin Collector.
What? I don't know. That doesn't seem to make any sense to me.
Because it's
Okay.
stole coins.
Okay,
Like
good job. Good job.
It stole their.
What is today? Let's focus. What is syntax?
Syntax is the RS of an IE.
No, what is RS? Syntax is the blank of a blank. You forgot. Today, I told you need to review these cards.
The ruse of
The what?
a leopardy.
I'm sorry, what?
Syntax is the ruse of a leopardy. I don't know. And why do you have a Pixar ball there?
Syntax is the rules of a language. Syntax is the rules of a language.
That's what I said. Syntax is the.
No, that's not what you said. That's not what you said.
Okay, what did I say?
I don't know what you said. You mumbled it. What is CPython?
Syntax is the ruse of a leopardy.
Leopardy. What is CPython?
I have a big face. I have a big
Today,
face.
let's focus. Today, let's focus. What is
CPython.
CPython?
What is CPython? In CPython is popular something of Python. A popular initiation of Python?
No, not initiation. CPython is a popular implementation. Implementation of Python.
That's what I said.
No, that's not what you said.
I said implementation. Initiation. I said initiation, like you said. Initiation.
Today, what is a value?
That's easy. A value is stored inside a.
Whoa. Value is what? Value is.
A value is data stored inside a variable.
Okay, good job. Okay. You need to, Tanae, you need to review the other. You need to review the other quiz cards, okay? Okay, so that's 5 points. That's 5 points, and let's see. That's 5 points. Let's see what you get here. Okay, you just got a dog. So what does a dog get you?
3.
The
So
dog gets you 3.
30
So that's
multiplied by 3.
no, it's not 30. It's not 30. It's 5. It's 5 times 3, so that's 15. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
But I like 90 better. It's a bigger, better, stronger number. 5 is weak.
What is a CIO?
A CIO is a chief
Right.
internet officer, right?
No, not internet.
Why is everything so zoomed in? No, wait.
A CIO is a what?
It's the CIO is a chief IT officer who manages company's IT.
No, what is I? I is for what?
I is for IT.
No, I is for what? What does I stand for?
I is for intelligence.
No, information.
Chief.
A CIO. No, that's not what you said. A
Intelligence
CIO is a chief information officer who manages the company's IT systems.
Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Okay, this is easy. What is a variable?
A variable is a box with a name that holds a value. A box with a name that holds a value.
Okay, so let's see what we get here.
Master Han, why is everything so zoomed in?
Oh, look. So what happens in this case? You got two flex biceps and a thumbs up. So what does that mean?
Let's see what we got. What does the bicep do?
So the maximum you can do is you can take the 2 biceps. So you would get a 4 and a 4, and then you can multiply the 4 and the 4. So that would be 16. So what's 16 times 5?
16 times.
16 times 5.
I can't breathe. Oh my god.
What is 16 times 5? That's 80, right?
Yeah, it's 80. I got 80 coins in my bank account. 80 coins. And you forgot to do the magic number roll.
It already did that, yeah.
You already did that?
Yeah, you got
do that without
2 flex biceps. You got 2 flex biceps and a dog. Okay, today, what is an algorithm?
What is a what?
What is
Everything
an algorithm?
is zoomed in. I can't see anything.
It's zoomed in. I'm not zooming in. Is that any better?
Yeah. An algorithm is a recipe.
It's like it's not.
It's
It
like
is.
a
It
recipe.
is. It's like a recipe. Okay.
I still get the points.
Okay. Let's see what your booster pack is. Okay, good. So you got a 2 flex. So that's so you get to multiply by 16. So that's 80. So that's another 80 coins.
Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm the richest student you have. I'm super duper rich. I'm duper super rich. Richity, rich.
Okay.
I'm rich. I'm rich.
Just keep in mind, I'm probably going to be changing these numbers. I'm probably going to have to change these numbers a little bit, okay?
I'm rich like the Russes. Rich like the Russes.
Okay. Okay, so let's just review. Let's go back to the first, and I'm just going to review. We're not rolling any we're not opening any booster packs. Let me just review. Okay. Starting next month, you're not going to see the cards. Okay?
That's not nice.
You're not going to see the cards. Okay.
You said when I
What
was
is
at
an
level
integer?
2, I didn't need to see the cards. Level 2. Do I look like a level 2 to you?
What is an integer?
An integer is a whole number. For example,
The whole number. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
good.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What
13.
is the program that coders code first?
Hello world! Print hello world.
Print hello world, right? Print hello world. What is looping?
Looping is when the computer executes the same instructions over and over.
Hey, good job. Good job. What is a string?
String is words between double quotes.
Okay, good, good. What is soft coding?
Soft coding is when a coder used variables instead of using fixed values, i.e. magic numbers.
Okay. What is a float?
A float? How dare you ask me that question? A float is a decimal number. For example, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.10.
So you don't want to just say point, you want to say 0.1, 0. Okay.
That's what I said. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3.
You know what? I'm not. I have to double check. Okay. What is a sequence? What is sequence?
Sequence is similar to order of operations. Order matters.
Okay, great job. Great. What is an abstraction?
An abstraction is a simplification.
Can you give me an example of abstraction in the real world? What's an example of abstraction in the real world?
Video game. You cannot play the code. You have to play the game, not the code of the game.
Well, you don't have to know. You don't have to know anything. You don't have to know how the code works. You just play the game. Okay. Now.
I'm saying you do not play the code. You play the game, not the code inside the game.
You don't do anything with the code. You just play the game. What is the example that I use all the time as an example of abstraction in the real world? What's the example I use?
Wait, what?
What is the example that I use for abstraction in the real world?
I don't know. Why should I know?
I use driving a car.
Driving? Why would you use driving?
Okay. Do you need to know how the car engine works to drive a car?
No.
No, you don't need to know that. Do you need to know how to fix the car?
No. You just need to know what number to call when your car's broken. Call four-wheelers.
Right. Oh, that's what they use in Canada? Auto wheelers?
No, that's a fake commercial that I just invented.
Oh, okay.
What
is the output of this code? What is the output of this code?
Oh my god, the output of this code is 4. Why'd you ask?
Okay. What if I print 5 mod 9?
5 mod 9 would equal 9.
Whoa. 5 mod 9 would be 9?
No, 5 mod 9 would be 5. Sorry.
I'm sorry. No. Nay.
Yeah.
What is 5 mod 9? 5 mod 9? What is 5 mod 9?
You said that it would be one of the numbers, so I told you one of the numbers, 9. And then you said that wasn't it, so
No. Wait a minute. Why is 9 mod 5 4?
Wait, I can't hear you. The thing is breaking up.
Why is if I try to print 9 mod 5, I get 4. Why is it 4?
Because there are 4 left.
Right, 4 is the remainder. What is 5 mod 9? What is 5 mod 9?
0.
No, it's not 0. Tonight you forgot the modulus. When the first number is smaller than the second number, and they're not 0, when they're not 0 numbers, non-zero numbers. When the first number is smaller than the second number, the answer is just the first number. Okay?
Yeah,
When the
I already
first
told
number
you
and the
that the
second,
answer was 5.
I don't know, you kept giving me a different answer.
I
Today,
said
Today.
9, and then you said it was wrong, so I said 5.
let's try again. Okay? What is 3 mod 2?
3 mod 2? That's easy. 1.
1, right. What is 2 mod 3?
2 mod 3, that's easy. 2.
2, right. Okay. What is 2 mod 2?
2 mod 2? Oh, that's easy. 0.
0. Okay. Okay. What is the assignment operator in Python?
The assignment operator in Python? That's easy. It's equal sign.
What is equal? What is equal sign?
Equal sign, equal sign?
Yeah. What does that represent?
That's easy. Equal.
No, well, what I want you to say is equality.
Equality.
It's the quality comparison operator, something like that. Equality. Okay. So 1 equal
Chief Tech
sign.
Officer. Chief Technology Officer. Chief Technology Officer.
Okay. 1 second. 1 equal sign is the assignment operator. 2 equal signs. 2 equal signs is the equality. Is equality. Okay. What does it? Okay. The Chief Technology Officer moves the company's tech forward. Okay. So the CTO of Domino's Pizza, what is the job of what is the job of the CTO of Domino's Pizza? What is that person's job?
He's in charge of the app.
Not only the app. What else?
Advertising?
No, I told you, that's a CMO. Chief Marketing Officer of the advertising. The CTO of Domino's Pizza works on the technology to
I don't see the technology in pizza unless they make a battery pizza.
Whoa, today. Whoa.
I'm confused.
Okay. How many ways are there to order pizza from Domino's Pizza?
2 ways.
No, there's not just 2 ways. Here, let's count. Okay?
Well, there's the app.
Look,
and then you can...
right. Look, so you can order it through Google Home. You know what Google Home is, right?
Oh my God, that's a lot.
You know what Google Home is, right?
I have a Google Home.
Oh, you have a Google, okay. So you can order it through Google Home. You know what Alexa is, right?
Of course, there's an Alexa in the other room.
Really, you have both, okay. So you can order it through Google Home, Alexa. You can use Slack. Now you don't know what Slack is, but it's kind of like email. I love Slack. I'm sorry?
I love Slack.
You use Slack?
It's the best game ever.
It's not a game.
I like
Okay.
to think of all apps as games.
Okay.
Oh.
So you can use Slack. You can use Facebook Messenger. Okay. They have zero click. I'm not too sure what
You
exactly
can
the
use
zero.
Twitter?
Okay. No, he has with the app, with the Domino's app, they have a zero click. They have a zero click function. So it orders the pizza that you order, that you already told it, that you already programmed to order. Okay. Zero click. So you don't have to give it any information. You just tap on one button and then delivers the pizza. Okay, now you can text. You can use your smartphone and you can text the order to Domino's. Okay. You can tweet an order to Domino's. You can order pizza through your smart car. Okay. So if you have a smart car, you can order Domino's pizza through the smart car. Okay. If you have a smart TV, you can order Domino's pizza through the smart TV, and then you have voice. I think that's with their app. So with their app, you can just order through the voice. You don't have to tap on anything.
No, I think he's talking about Siri. I think they're talking about Siri.
I think it just takes you to their app though. Right, you can
Yeah,
use Siri.
I think you asked,
I
Hey,
don't know if
Siri.
you can use Siri.
order some Domino's for me.
I don't know if you can use Siri.
One
Okay.
option is
Now, also, we have the smart watch. You have a smart watch. You have the.
It's open today.
Can you order pizza through smart Siri?
She was just giving me directions to go
Oh,
to
okay.
Domino's.
Okay.
Like I asked her
Now you
just now.
Okay, so you can also order Domino's pizza with a smart watch. Okay, if you have a smart
Okay.
watch, do you have a smart watch?
Huh?
Do you have a smart watch?
If you count Fitbit as a smartwatch, then yes.
Fitbit is really not a smartwatch. Okay, if you have a
I like
smartwatch, so look,
GoPro watches. GoPro watches are
so
cool.
so the Domino's Pizza CTO, that person's job is to make sure all this works. Okay, make it
Okay.
all work. So it makes it very easy to order pizza. Okay, because the
Pizza
world
wasn't
that
even in.
because you have to keep in mind that the world that we live in now,
Last night I had pizza.
I'm sorry?
Last night I had pizza from Little Caesars.
Oh, okay. So Little Caesars, like the world that we live in now, people don't want to talk to anybody on the phone. They just want to text, or they want to just use their voice. They want to talk to a computer. They don't want to talk to a human being. Okay. What is the problem when
Because computers are very understanding.
what happens?
Unlike
Okay,
humans,
good, right.
which get into arguments all the time.
What happens? What happened? What would happen sometimes when people ordered pizza by using a telephone and they talk to a human being? What happens sometimes?
Stuff got mixed up.
Yeah, stuff got mixed up. Yeah, yeah. And they would always tell you the pizza would arrive in 30 minutes. But did the pizza actually arrive in 30 minutes?
One time, I ordered Popeyes. So I live right next to a field. So, me and my mom ordered Popeyes for dinner, and the delivery guy was searching for our house in the field when the houses were right next to the field.
Okay.
Like, he was right in front of the field. Like,
maybe the GPS wasn't working correctly. I don't know. Okay. Now I didn't get a chance to talk about that much, but see, I still have time, a little bit of time. So next week I'm going to talk about a little bit more. How did you like the coins booster packs? Did you like that?
That was awesome.
Now I didn't get a chance to cover it that much today, but hey, are you okay? Danae, are you okay? Do I have to call the hospital?
I'm really good at pretending to throw up.
Okay.
But yesterday I
Today.
actually threw up for no reason.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Are you feeling okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't,
So
there was no reason. I just drank some really, really hot milk and then I started throwing up.
sometimes it happens. Okay. So next week I'm going to talk about. I just want to let you know. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about digital assets. So what is a digital asset? So the digital assets that you're more familiar with would be like, you know what videos are? Right? Videos.
Video games, TV.
Right, video games.
Basically everything that society lives on. If even one of those things were to disappear forever, society would crumble
Really? Okay.
like a cookie.
Okay. That's scary. Okay. So
If video games weren't real, all kids would be crying all the time, and then their parents couldn't go to work, and then they wouldn't make money, and everybody would be poor, 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 poor.
well, that's scary. So look, so so right. So today in the world that we live in now, we have. Do you have any DVDs in your house?
What is a DVD? Is it a new video game?
No. It's what
I know
it's
what a
what
DVD is. It's a
you know what it
CD.
is.
It kind of like
It
a
looks
CD.
like a CD, right?
Yeah, you put in
Before
you put in the little
DVD player.
box
Yeah.
thingy. You put in the box thingy, and then
People, how do people watch movies now? Do they have DVDs?
no, they got Bluetooth.
No, you mean Netflix, not Bluetooth.
Oh yeah, Netflix. They put
Okay.
Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, Disney Plus, and countless others.
Do you know how people listen to music before there was digital music?
DVDs.
Right. They bought CDs.
iPods.
Well, before iPods, people would buy CDs. They would buy.
Before CDs, there will be gramophones. What is a gramophone?
Well, we call them records. Okay. So, but today, all those things, books, TV shows, movies, photos,
They're all online.
They're all online.
Okay.
So they're all digital. Okay. So all these things are examples of a digital asset. Okay.
Master Han, you know the internet is growing by the second, literally. People are adding new things to the internet every day.
Right. It's growing exponentially. You're right.
And one day, if it overloads, everybody's gonna, I don't know how to say it. Everybody's gonna freak out. It's gonna be apocalypse. They'll turn into zombies.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute.
Probably turn into zombies. Hi, Addie.